Количество и род задач.
And the number and tasks they have are very different. There is air support for aircraft, there is air support for the offensive, and there is also support for ground columns. The tasks are diverse. The helicopter is also capable of performing each of these tasks. Its possibilities are very wide. This helicopter has already proven itself not only in Russia, but also in other countries. The car is reliable. If aircraft cover occurs, then, as a rule, transport helicopters are covered by combat helicopters. There is a reconnaissance in front and cover on the sides. Ensure the safety of transport aircraft. In combat, the helicopter proved to be quite reliable. The helicopter is equipped with guided missiles. There are also unguided weapons. There are a lot of suspension options. Air-to-air missiles can be used on this helicopter. His main task is really not only a cover, but to strike at enemy targets. There are always the most memorable ones. This is the first day. Escort of the ground column and air cover. This task has been completed in full. Several flights were made. They worked hard. They changed in pairs in the air before refueling and takeoff again. We escorted the convoy to its destination. Mostly there are shrapnel and bullet injuries. The main rotor blades and tail beams in them are mainly affected. Accordingly, the control route is interrupted and without which the helicopter cannot fly. We were in a mobile repair group. We were engaged in repairs of these units and assemblies. As for the complexity of the repair and the possibility of restoration, if we have damage to the fuselage, then repairs are carried out by our specialists. If this is a wiring repair, then we solder the wires according to the scheme. If you suddenly get into some kind of block unit, then we look at whether it can be restored. If it cannot be repaired, then the block is changed. That is, we try to cope with most of the damage.